Good morning, everyone. I'm Darshan Rathod.
And I'm Gagan. Today we are talking to an interesting story of the mysteries of the universe.
Space is not just only on the stars and planets. It depends on the discoveries, explosions, and the invisible matters which are been revolving around the solar system. So scientists still fully not explored it.
Even today, powerful agencies like NASA, ISRO, or so continue to explore this space to find.
So today, Gagan and I will be exploring such things on the space.
First, we have talking a topic. How is the big universe? Okay, Darshan, what are you thinking about the big universe?
The universe is massively big. It is continuously expanding throughout the solar system. The solar system is moving continuously. So we can expect that it is expanding larger and larger.
Okay, give any example.
Yeah, for example, Earth is a part of solar system. So as the Earth is moving continuously, the galaxy also moving.
And the Milky Way galaxy also having billions of stars.
Yeah, billions of stars. Not only billions of stars, we can't expect how many stars are there.
So one day both galaxies are collide.
Not so soon, but one day, like billions of years, it will take.
It shows massive how big universe is truly.
Exactly. So Gagan, are you interested in black holes?
Yes, why not? Who have not interest in black holes?
Explain us about black hole.
Yes, a black hole is an object in a space with a heavy, powerful gravity. Even light also cannot escape from it.
Yeah, it sounds terrible. So did scientists ever click the picture?
Yes, why not? In 2019, scientists released a real pictures of the black holes called Messier 87 black hole.
Okay, I remembered it. Like round orange rings around it.
Exactly. Scientists are using multiple of telescopes to capturing from the Earth.
Yeah, and our own galaxy also has a black hole at the center.
Yes, our own galaxy also have a one black hole. It's called Sagittarius A star.
Yeah, how terrifying. Imagine something how powerful the gravity is been. Even light can't escape from it.
Okay, Darshan. Now we are talking about the aliens are real or some information and some topics about this. Okay, now tell about aliens are there.
Scientists don't have any proof on that, but they still believe that there will be a life on space somewhere in billions of years.
Why do they think like that?
Because there is the space is massively big, so we can accept that there is another living organism or not. The scientists have been still searching on it.
We can give any examples.
Yeah, like Kepler 452b is a planet which is similar to the Earth.
Okay, that's interesting. Scientists are also searching for water on planets and moons. That's right.
Yeah, that's right. Scientists also search water because, like example, Europa is a planet which is fully covered with the ice. When we can expect that it has larger oceans and all.
Which means there are any microscopic hidden lives are there.
Yeah, water can contain organisms. Life would be there. We can't say that. Okay, let's come to the unusual discoveries in space. So, what did scientists explore anything newly in the space?
Yes, of course. In 2017, scientists have discovered a mysterious object called Oumuamua.
Yeah, that's the object straight like cigar.
Yes, it came from outside of the solar system and it's move also very unusual way.
Yeah, people think that it is an alien technology.
True, although scientists later said it was probably a nature space object.
Yeah, it is still a mysterious discovery in the years.
Okay, Darshan. Now we talking about dark matters and dark energies. When scientists are said most of the universe is invisible, how is it possible?
Because most of the universe is made up of dark matter and dark energy. So it's possible.
Can you see them?
No, we can't say it directly. But some unusual forces that which is holding the planets.
Like what?
Like galaxy is continuously moving and it has planets which are revolving. So they may get break up, but they not.
Okay, Darshan. Now scientists are believe this invisible force is called and dark matter.
Yeah, they believe it. Imagine something dark that exists but we can't see it. Okay, Gagan, let's come to the human exploration in space. What do you think what human has been explored till now?
Absolutely, one of the biggest achievements was Apollo 11 moon landing.
Yeah, I remembered it. That Neil Armstrong was the first time in the moon.
And also recently was James Webb telescope also captured stunning images of the distant galaxies.
Yeah, that shows how massive big is universe and formed billions of years ago.
It's like looking back in time.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, now we are came to the last part of our podcast.
So from black hole to the strong space objects, invisible matters, objects that revolve around the space and all.
Every discovery creates even more questions of the scientists to answering it.
Yeah, maybe in future our generation would be answering these all questions in the different ways.
Until then, the universe will continue inspiring, curious imagination and exploring in mysteries.
So thank you all for listening us.
We hope we are enjoying our podcast of Mysteries of the Universe.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.